Understanding Fundraising Event, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, fundraising event. Whether you're attending one, planning one, or just curious about what they entail, this video will guide you through the meaning and use of this phrase. Stay tuned to learn all about fundraising events and how they play a significant role in communities and organizations. Let's dissect the phrase fundraising event. It comprises two words, fundraising and event. Fundraising refers to the process of collecting money for a particular cause, organization, or project. This can be done by individuals or organizations. An event, on the other hand, is an organized occasion such as a meeting, a party, or a sports competition. So, a fundraising event is an organized occasion specifically designed to raise money for a cause. Fundraising events are not just about collecting money. They serve multiple purposes. 1. Awareness. They help in spreading information and raising awareness about a specific cause or organization. 2. Community engagement. These events bring people together, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. 3. Support. They offer a platform for individuals to show their support, either through donations or by volunteering their time and skills. There are numerous types of fundraising events, each with its unique flair and method of raising funds. Some popular examples include charity auctions. Items are donated and then auctioned off to the highest bidder. Benefit concerts. Musicians perform, and proceeds from ticket sales go to the cause. Walkathons or marathons. Participants gather sponsors to donate based on how far they walk or run. Bake sales or food fairs. Homemade goods are sold, and profits are directed to the cause. Organizing a successful fundraising event involves several steps. 1. Planning. Define your goals, budget, target audience, and the type of event. 2. Team building. Gather a team of volunteers passionate about the cause. 3. Promotion. Use various channels to promote your event and attract participants and donors. 4. Execution. Ensure the event runs smoothly by coordinating all activities and participants on the day. 5. Follow-up. Thank your participants and donors, and share the outcome and impact of the event. Fundraising events are a powerful tool for making a positive impact and fostering community spirit. Whether you're looking to understand these events better or planning to organize one, we hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Remember, every contribution, no matter how small, can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you making a change in your community soon.